Many refuse to even consider the truths of the Bible because of the claim that the Bible was not inspired by God. How would you respond? Deep inside, are you plagued with the same doubt? Did the God of the universe truly inspire men to write the exact words recorded in Scripture? If so, did he leave his signature in the text? What would that look like? It would have to be something so incredibly complex, it would defy probability and chance. Golgotha, the place of the skull, depicts one of the most iconic images known to humanity. 3 crosses on a hill. Spiked to the middle cross was Yeshua, Jesus, the divine offer of heaven's salvation. After years of meticulously poring over the Hebrew and Greek scriptures, Amazon top 60 best-selling author Carl Gallups is leading readers on a unique pilgrimage to Golgotha, tracking a supernatural and almost DNA-like encoding of that quintessential image throughout the Bible. Astonishingly, likenesses of Golgotha are visible from the beginning words of Genesis to some of the last words of Revelation, and in just the right places. See for yourself why the Bible, unlike any other book in history, contains tangible evidence of its own multidimensional inspiration.